Hey, so I've got like 8.39 percentage reply rate in last 12 months from all the campaign, all the outbound campaign that I've run, right? And out of those 8.39 reply rate, I was getting like 67 percentage of positive replies, which is a huge thing because no one is like getting this much of again, like getting 67 percentage of positive reply rate is like a huge deal because that is way above industry standards. So again, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the similar results with just really good copywriting, email copywriting. Right now, just to show you that this is authentic, let me refresh my page. So as you can see that I'm just refreshing this page, and you can see like 8.39% reply rate and 88 opportunities I have created in last 12 months. Right now, of course, this is not true for each and every. There are some campaigns where we were getting like 2-3 percentage reply rate, but again, that is also good. Also, there are like some campaign where we were getting like 13-14 percentage reply rate as well, and this is the average of all the campaigns. So again, this is good. Like if you are getting this kind of a reply rate, your campaign will you will get a lot of opportunities and clients. Right, so right now, what I'm going to show you is that I'm going to show you the framework that I'm using to create or generate email copies. Right, so again, this is very very simple, yet no one is doing anything similar to this in the market, and that's why you will heard that people are saying that outbound is not working for them. Outbound is trash. It is the old tactic that and then people are not paying really good attention to your cold emails. Right, that is not true at all. If I'm getting this much of reply rate, you will also get that. You just need to understand, you just need to have a critical information with you that will help you to uh, d- achieve the similar kind of results. Right, so now this is the cold email personalization system that I myself is using. Now again, I already have a video on my channel about this. If you want, you can basically watch this video. Again, I'm not going to go through the entire framework. I'm just going to give you a brief idea on like what is it. Right, so basically, is it something where like you chunk down the steps, you chunk down the entire processes into the steps, and you basically hand over each step to the AI individually so that you can get basically a really good, efficient, and quality output that actually shows that you've done some on your prospect. And basically, so this is the personalization system. Plus, on top of that, I'll also show you the copy framework as well. Right, so again, step one, always you have to write your dream email for one of your ICP manually. Right, again, it should not be created by AI. Now, why? Very very simple. Basically, we want, once you create that copy, a dream email copy, we want to act that as an inspiration for AI. Right, so basically, here, let's say for example, this is the dream email copy that you have written. Hey Sarah, first of all, congratulations on new office expansion in San Francisco. Most personal injury firms at your stage still rely on referral and Google Leads, which works, but it's unpredictable. We can help you bring in 5 to 10 pre-weighted consultation per month through system cold outreach. Is there something that you would be open to exploring? That so now, why this email works really well? Because it's specific. You did mention about the recent changes that has been done in their organization, right? In this case, like they've actually expanded to new office, so that is very relevant. Right, and it looks like you have done some research on them, and then you have written, you have yourself written it. Right, so again, that is why this is going to work really really well, and then that's how you should write your dream email manually without any help from AI. Now, once you done writing with that, basically you can take this as a template, and then basically you can write it out. Right, so now real question is like, how do you send that same quality email to 500 other law firms? Right, because let's say if you do it manually, if you write email copies manually for each and every one, it will take a hell lot of your time. Right, so like it will take, let's say, a week or two. Right, so again, that's not scalable. So instead, what we will do is that we'll basically identify the criteria from the dream email. So in our case, like name, observation, right, the current method and the form type. So these are the few criteria that we have extracted from the dream email, and then basically we will put that as a placeholder. Now step 3 is like we will teach AI how to fill each and every criteria one by one. So now for that, this is the recipe. Again, you can go through it. I'll share this document in the community. So basically you can join the community by just clicking the link in clicking the first link in the description, and basically you can get access to this entire framework, right? And these are the rules that you need to follow. So again, I'll not go through that entirely because I already have another video on channel which you can go through, and then you can basically understand how it works, right? And then you just need to repeat it for the everywhere. Once you replicate the same for one variable, you can exactly copy that method for all other variables, right? And then combine and automate. So this is the entire system. Now basically you might have a question that how can I automate this, right? How can I make a system that actually automate this entire process? So basically you don't need to do anything. We have a really good template where you can do everything inside a Google Sheet, from email verification, from email finding to verification to create a personalization to create email copies and all of that. So basically you can do all of that inside Google Sheet. You don't need to go outside, and you don't need to like go to tools. You don't basically jump from one tool to another tool, right? So that's the beauty of it, and we have a lot of templates like that in our community. So like if you really are interested in joining our community, you can join that. There's a lot of benefits of it. For that, just to know those benefits, click on the link in the description box below, and you will get to know like what you will get once you inside the community, right? So again, this is what we call anti-fragile method. Now again, this is not invented by me, to be honest. This is invented by some other person who, and I was like in his community, and he actually has hand over this entire method to us, and then it was working really really well. And what I did is that I just made little changes to that according to my niche that I'm like trying to tap into, right? Because I'm like promoting B2B SaaS that I've like created, right? And then for that I have to make some changes, right? So that is very very required. So again, so you can access the entire doc in the community itself. Now let's look at the part where you can automate all of this into inside the Google Sheet, right? So again, this is the Google Sheet which you can use to automate everything inside it. You don't need to go anywhere else. So basically, first of all, let me show you the personalization. So basically, this is the personalization line. Noticed you expanded departments and broadened your healthcare portfolio across UAE. Are you seeing more nurse or staffing needs lately? So again, this is a great personalization because we are actually tapping into exact changes that has been done in that organization recently, right? So now notice you now serve over 1 million people in 65 countries. Now this looks that we have done our homework, we have done our research, and that's why it will presented as a we have human has written it, right? So human has like done the research and then they have written it. So that's how the qualitative the process is. So now let me show you what you can do with this. So basically to create personalization, to like basically verify the emails and getting the ESP of those email, which is very very important. We if you can see, there's a menu called Outbound automation in the top. Just click on that and you will find all the options like find, verify emails, clean company name, generate email copy, company summary, and all of that. Right now, for finding and verification of email, basically you have to set your API keys. And in this one, we are actually using Mails Finder, which is our own tool, which can help you to find and verify email at a very affordable price with 99% accuracy, right? Which means that every 100 email that you find and verify, you only get like one or two errors, not more than that. So and that's a huge deal because it will then help you to reduce your bounce rate, correct? Now to get the Mails Finder, you can click the link in the description box below. That the second link you can click on that, and you will be land on like app.mailsfinder.com, and over there just sign up with your free account. You will get 50 credits for free. And let me show you actually. Yeah, so for if you're doing it for the first time, you will get the 50 credits, and you can basically use that for absolutely free. After that, you have to pay, upgrade to the paid account, And for that, basically right now we are offering lifetime or early lifetime access, where you can get like 150,000 credits into $49, right? So like in total you will get 300,000 credits, combining finding and verification. You will get full API support, you will get outbound automation support and implementation. First two campaigns are on us with guaranteed deliverability, 1 year founder exclusive community access. So basically you'll also get the community access. You will get the lifetime access of Mails Finder until your credits go out, right? You will get a priority support on WhatsApp, and all the future updates that we will be bringing into this particular tool, you will get that for a very very cheap price, right? So basically these are the perks that you can basically opt in if you sign up today, right? Because we are just once we get the 93 members, we will close lifetime offer, and then you have to basically pay either $49 or $99 agency plan, right? So yeah, that's all about that. And other APIs that we are using is like Firecloud API to scrap the pages. Then we are actually using Azure API, but you can use OpenAI as well. There's a provision of that as well in the sheet. So basically what I'll do is that I'll drop the sheet in the community itself. So if you want the access of that framework and the sheet, just join the community and you will get access to that, right? So I hope you found this video really really helpful, and I hope basically you this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, if you have any questions, any doubts, any concerns, I would highly encourage you to like give a comment down below, and then I will try to solve that as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, bye bye, take care.